Here are some steps you can take to fix the "Please enter a valid card number" error message in the Disney Hotstar app. 1. Check your card details. Make sure that you have entered the correct card number, expiration date, and CVV. You can also try entering your card number manually instead of using the card reader. 2. Make sure that your card is active and has enough funds. Your card must be active and have enough funds to cover the cost of your Disney Hotstar subscription. 3. Try using a different card. If you have another credit or debit card, try using that one to subscribe to Disney Hotstar. 4. Contact your card issuer. If you're still having trouble, contact your card issuer to see if there is a problem with your card. Here are some additional things to keep in mind. The card number you enter must be a valid 16-digit credit or debit card number. The expiration date must be in the future. The CVV is a 3-digit code that is usually located on the back of your card. If you are using a credit card, make sure that your card is not declined due to fraud protection. If you have tried all of these steps and you are still getting the "Please enter a valid card number" error message, you can contact Disney Hotstar customer support for help. Here are the steps on how to contact Disney Hotstar customer support. 1. Go to the Disney Hotstar app. Click on My Space. Then click on Help Settings, then go to Help Support. Then scroll down and click on Contact Us. 2. Select the subscription-related option from the list of topics. 3. Fill out the contact form and provide your name, email address, and the error message you are getting. 4. Click on the Submit button and Disney Hotstar customer support will contact you shortly. I hope this helps. Like the video. Subscribe to TechSoar.